Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make these amazing sweet orange hot and spicy chicken wings. Stay tuned. So we're gonna start today's recipe off by adding a little bit of salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Mix it up real quick. Then we're gonna add about a cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it up again real good. And then we're gonna fry our wings for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are nice and crispy, golden brown, crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Time to start making our sauce. So you're gonna need about a half a cup of sweet orange marmalade and also a half a cup of hot sauce. We're gonna mix these two ingredients together and bring to a boil. After it comes to a boil, we're just gonna remove it from the heat and then toss our wings. So after about 10 to 12 minutes of frying my wings, they are nice and crispy, golden brown on the outside, juicy on the inside. We're just gonna toss it in a mixing bowl, add our sauce, and enjoy. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.